It was a very nice day. I remember it looked like an old castle. And I remember that there was about 6 of us, I think, that went up there. And at the end, they held hands in front of the fireplace and prayed that the Lord could use that. I myself had no vision whatsoever, but my husband and Dr. Rayburn did. Someone sacrificed and someone prayed long and hard that that school could be established.
And I said, Mr. Carter, I don't know whether you have thought of this or not, but I said, we've got kids here from 24 states and 17 foreign countries, and they don't come for a weekend, they come for 4 years. And I looked across at his face, and there were tears running down his face. And I said, well, your dream has been fulfilled in far greater measure than you ever could have dreamed it.
It's a castle, and even more so now. It's really a castle now. As soon as I heard that they were renovating, I was like, yes, please. We have an opportunity to be excited about the future of Carter.
It's the first impression that you get when you come to Covenant is its beauty, and I think that's indicative of its inward beauty as well. Just being able to see how it's Christ-centered and how they're doing everything with keeping Christ preeminent.
I think just understanding that piece of history for us is very, very important. So going into Carter Hall, you just feel as though you're part of this history. It's just a beautiful place.
It is the silhouette of Covenant College, and it represents what Covenant stands for, a community. It represents a home. It's truly what Covenant students and Covenant alum remember when they leave the college. I'm excited to see what the future holds.
Carter Hall is an important building both for Chattanooga and Lookout Mountain, but also it's central to the life of the college. We're deeply grateful for the patience of students and faculty and staff over the course of this project, thankful for the diligence of all those who have labored on it, and deeply grateful for those who have given generously and even sacrificially to make this renovation a reality.